Welcome back to the channel, folks. If you are a motorcycle enthusiast looking to gear up with the best protective and stylish pants, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the top 7 motorcycle pants on the market, covering everything from the design and durability to usability and features. Whether you are cruising the highways or tackling rough terrains, we have got something for everyone. Let's gear up and get started. Starting our list strong, we have the HWK motorcycle pants, designed for riders who demand both protection and comfort. Made from durable 600D Cordura fabric, these pants are not only abrasion resistant but also waterproof, ensuring you are ready for any adventure. The HWK motorcycle pants feature reinforced stitching and CE-approved armor at critical impact points, offering unparalleled safety without compromising on comfort. What sets these pants apart is their versatility. Equipped with a thermal liner and air ventilation zippers, they are suitable for all seasons, making them a great choice for riders who don't let the weather dictate their pants. The adjustable waistband and ample pocket space add to the usability, ensuring a snug fit and easy access to your essentials. In terms of design, the HWK motorcycle pants strike a balance between functionality and style. Their sleek black appearance allows them to pair well with various jackets and motorcycles, making them a favorite among riders who value both aesthetics and performance. Next up, we have the Alpha Cycle Gear All-Season Pants at number 2. These pants are a testament to innovation in motorcycle gear. Crafted from high-quality materials, these pants are built to withstand the rises of the road while providing maximum comfort. The waterproof yet breathable membrane ensures you stay dry during wet rides and comfortable during warmer days. One of the standout features of the Alpha Cycle Gear All-Season Pants is the adjustable thermal lining, which can be easily removed or added depending on the weather, making them a true all-season companion. Additionally, the pants are equipped with CE-approved armor in the knees and hips, offering robust protection without hindering movements. The attention to detail in the design is evident, with reflective stripes for increased visibility at night and adjustable waist and leg cuffs for a perfect fit. These pants not only prioritize rider safety but also cater to the needs of modern riders with a stylish design that doesn't compromise on functionality. Coming in at number 3 is the Dream Apparel Leather Champs. These products are a perfect choice. Made from premium leather, these chaps offer both protection and a timeless style. Leather is naturally abrasion resistant, and these chaps enhance the quality with their thick yet supple construction, providing an extra layer of safety over your regular riding pants. The Dream Apparel Leather Chaps are designed with customization in mind, featuring adjustable laces at the back for a personalized fit. This not only ensures comfort during long rides but also allows for flexibility in layering underneath. The chaps also come equipped with deep pockets, making it convenient to carry personal items without the need for additional baggage. What makes these chaps stand out is their adaptability. They are perfect for riders who love the look and feel of leather but want the flexibility of adjusting the riding gear according to the climate. The robust construction guarantees durability, ensuring these chaps can be a part of your riding attire for years to come. Next at number 4, we have CTBQ Item Motorcycle Pants, a modern marvel in motorcycle apparel. These pants are a blend of advanced materials and cutting-edge design, providing both superior protection and a high degree of comfort. Featuring a waterproof outer layer and reinforced panels in high-impact areas, they are built to protect against both the elements and the road. The CTBQ Item motorcycle pants stand out for their ergonomic design, ensuring ease of movement and a perfect fit for long rides. The inclusion of stretch panels in key areas allows for an unprecedented range of motion, making these pants ideal for riders who prioritize flexibility and comfort. In addition to their functional attributes, these pants don't skimp on style. The sleek, modern design is versatile enough to match any motorcycle and rider aesthetic, making them a popular choice for riders who want to look good both on and off their bike. With their combination of durability, protection and style, the CTBQ Item motorcycle pants are a top choice for riders looking to invest in high-quality motorcycle gear. The number 5 position is held by Lomang Motorcycle Pants. These pants strike a fine balance between style, protection and comfort. Crafted with the needs of the modern rider in mind, these pants are made from a high-quality abrasion-resistant material, offering excellent durability and long-term use. The thoughtful integration of stretch panels in key areas allows for an unmatched range of motion, making them ideal for long rides. In terms of safety, Lo Mang hasn't cut any corners. The pants come equipped with CE-certified armor at the knees and hips, providing critical impact protection without compromising on comfort. The ventilation system is another noteworthy feature, ensuring that you remain cool and dry even on the hottest days. But what truly sets these pants apart is their versatility. The removable thermal liner allows for easy adaptation to changing weather conditions, making them suitable for year-round use. The reflective detail enhances visibility in low-light conditions, adding an extra layer of safety for nighttime rides. Number 6 position is dominated by Combat Pant Motorcycle. This pant is the emblem of rugged durability and functional design. These pants are designed for the rider who demands the utmost in protection and utility. Made from a tough abrasion-resistant fabric, they offer superior resistance against the elements and the road, ensuring that you are well protected in case of a slide. What makes these pants truly stand out is the array of pockets strategically placed for easy access while riding. This makes them not just protective gear but a practical piece of equipment for carrying essentials. The reinforced panels in high-impact areas provide additional durability and longevity, making these pants a reliable choice for the adventurous rider. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Despite their rugged build, these pants offer excellent mobility and breathability thanks to the carefully designed ventilation system. The adjustable waistband and leg cuffs allows for a custom fit, ensuring that these pants stay securely in place no matter the speed or terrain. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Vive Fox Motorcycle Pants. These pants offer a sleek, modern design without skimping on safety or functionality. These pants are made from a premium, lightweight material that doesn't just promise durability but also offers superior comfort for long hours on the saddle. The integration of stretchable fabric in key areas enhances freedom of movement, making them perfect for dynamic riding styles. Safety is paramount with Vive Fox, as evidenced by the inclusion of advanced armor protection in the knees and hips. This protective gear is designed to absorb and disperse impact, providing peace of mind in any riding scenario. Additionally, the pants feature a high visibility design with reflective elements, crucial for nighttime visibility. Another standout feature is the waterproof yet breathable membrane, which shields you from the elements without causing overheating. This makes the Vive Fox Motorcycle Pants an excellent choice for riders who face varied weather conditions. The pants also include a removable thermal liner, offering flexibility and adaptability throughout the seasons. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 motorcycle pants that combine the best of protection, comfort and style. Whether you are a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, investing in quality gear is crucial for your safety and enjoyment on the road. We hope this deep dive helps you find the perfect pair to suit your riding needs and style preferences. Remember, the right gear not only keeps you safe but also enhances your riding experience. Stay tuned for more gear reviews and tips to keep your riding in style and safety. Ride safe and see you on the next one.